Hey guys, okay, so just a little quick recap. I'm doing this as a voiceover again, so today I used these two little palettes from Lorac. They're a collab with Rachel Zoe, and I also used one shade from the Carly Bible palette that I used yesterday. But yeah, these are super cute. They're only $15 at Ulta, so yeah, I would definitely check them out. This is, I'll show you what the little one looks like. Like this little guy. Super pretty. And then the other one, which was actually the first one that I got. Ooh, what is this little guy? So yeah, how stinking cute are those? But yeah, so I filmed this today. I'm getting ready to go to work. Tomorrow I have to work all day, so I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to film anything. And then Saturday I work like a weird shift, so I probably won't film anything again until Sunday, so I hope you guys like this though. It's just a cute little, like, I guess pumpkin spice theme, you could say. Okay guys, so the first one I'm going in with is Sepia out of the Hollywood Glamour mini palette with Lorac. Here I'm just still using that same shade and I'm just building up the color. Now with this shade I did reach for the Carly Bible palette and use the shade Chai just for a more warmer toned shade. I'm still using Chai and just building that up in the crease and on the outer corner. Here I'm just deepening up that outer corner with Amaranth out of the Hollywood Glamour palette with Lorac. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a really soft cut crease for a base for the next shade. It is a shimmer shade, so I wanted it to be able to grab and stick to something. Now I'm just going in with the shade Filigree from the Golden Eyes palette. It was the little zebra striped one at the beginning. So I'm just building it up and kind of softly blending out the edges. Going back in with Sepia, just right underneath that lash line and blend it out. Now I'm just using my finger to press in the shade Gold Sequins and then back in with a brush just to intensify it. And I'm just going to deepen up the top of that crease with Sepia. And I use the shade Champagne as a highlight. Bloopers. Anyways, but I hope you guys liked it, so I will see you hopefully in the next one.